HP ProBook 450 G10. The HP ProBook 450 G10 sports a sleek, professional look with a robust build. It's designed to handle the daily grind, whether you're in the office or working from a cafe. The brushed aluminum finish adds a touch of elegance, while the sturdy construction feels like it could take a few knocks without flinching. The Intel Core i7-1355U processor. This is a 13th generation chip, featuring 10 cores and 12 threads. It's a big step up from previous generations, offering impressive performance and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking with several applications or running demanding software, the ProBook 450 G10 should handle it with ease. For everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and video conferencing, it's smooth sailing. When we pushed it with some heavy-duty applications, like photo editing and multitasking with multiple virtual machines, the performance was still strong. The i7-1355U's higher clock speeds and efficiency cores really make a difference. Storage 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD. Memory 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. Graphics Intel UHD graphics. Display 15.6, diagonal, FHD, 1920 by 1080, IPS, narrow bezel, anti-glare, 250 nits, 45% NTSC. Camera 720p HD camera. Keyboard HP Premium keyboard, spill-resistant, backlit keyboard with numeric keypad. Fingerprint sensor. Battery type HP long life 3-cell, 51 Wh Li-ion. Audio dual stereo speakers, dual array microphones.